So the relationship between Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and KWADWO Sheldon is still strong. After KWADWO Sheldon ever posted a video of how nsuyini si wakra na no essay ni fie no, and they are Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia at the time our landed no as surprise KWADWO Sheldon. I extended support at the KWADWO Sheldon because who say I only hear na KWADWO Sheldon na kum no ayasem kese edemano. And at the time KWADWO Sheldon I was studio obey a video. You know the recent banter between KWADWO Sheldon and Shatawale. So KWADWO Sheldon was about to respond to Shatawale and Unyanko. But guess what? Sheldon Nekoha a Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and Afre KWADWO Sheldon. Orchard Sheldon say ne uni Ghana ha, but what's the assembly see no? Monim said Sheldon during the campaign or before the election 2024. Nipa bako campaigning for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the digitalization was KWADWO Sheldon. So the relationship is still there. Dr. Bawumia after Sheldon Chen say what's in here kosono na na reho uni Ghana there, but no bagana obetimi aba behwe na ne ho so ye bia no wetimi. So it tells you say if Dr. Bawumia ba bam nebeko e dia Sheldon. So Sheldon expressed the excitement, the joy unyaye at the time Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia etimi efre no after the incident ni see no. Na yen kona go video no, but before that you best subscribe to channel no. Now like a video.
Doc.
Yes, how are you?
I'm good, yourself?
Not too bad, not too bad. I heard of this big flooding in Ghana, and your house was apparently very affected.
Yes, Doc. That is what happened.
Serious, that's very serious. I'm currently in London, but I'll be back before the weekend. But I was told that I wanted to I got your number, and I just wanted to call and check on you.
Oh,
how you doing?
Thank you very much. We are okay. Everything is okay now. We've been able to, clear the place, and we are back to business. So everything is cool.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah. Everything is normal now.
Wonderful, wonderful. We thank God. Yeah. So we'll be in touch when I get back.
No problem. Okay? Thanks for the call, Doc.
Take care. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Take care.
Right.
Bye.
Bye.